getting ready. I'm starting a weekly vlog. It is Saturday. We're getting ready to go out finally. And the first summer outing at night. You know it's gonna be lit. I can't wait to go. So we're gonna go to a rooftop. Have a little cute sister day. It's gonna be super cute. Oh yeah, earlier we went to my cousin's house. We did like this little becoming craft type of shit. I don't know, but it was cute. I answered some images, but it was super cute and relaxing. For my sisters have kids, or for when I have kids, it was a really cute activity. I liked it a lot. I wanted to take it home with me, but I didn't have a baby. I didn't want to be greedy. So I'm like, the baby's gonna use it. It's fine. My cousin was so big. Oh my god, bro. God bless her. Yeah, it's like that age where we're having fucking kids now. Oh my god. Whoop, whoop, and then poop. We made it. The bathroom is so cute.
Doesn't want you to hurt me.
Took a picture of it and I found that
we're already one pitch down.
very similar to it.
How's school coming along? Both you guys.
Finally leaving. How you like it? It's like 12 sign.
The food stand.
We finally came home. It looks blurry as fuck, but I'm not gonna get out of bed. I'm too tired. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. We're gonna do a little art therapy, which is honestly much needed. It's the beginning of summer. I want to feel relaxed, de-stressed, and rejuvenated, and that's exactly what we're gonna do today. So relax. Okay, I just finished taking them out, and this looks stunning. It looks so beautiful. I love it.
Lady Mary has done admirably in raising her daughters. They are intelligent, kind, loyal women, and a credit to both their parents. And since you clearly do not wish to jeopardize your social standing by associating with such company, I suggest you do not.
So we're getting ready. Like, I heard the movie made some people cry, and I'm such a crier that I already know I had to bring some tissues or something. I'm 27, still young, and I'm just starting life. To be completely honest with you, I'm just starting life. This is the beginning. I've done a few things, but I could do a lot more as a grown woman. I'll show you my two favorite brushes, because it's like, I feel like it's the star of the show when I have it on. Highlighter, gorgeous. So we made it. We're in the theater. There's just some bellas.
It's okay. Come on. Okay, let it go, buddy. What's the secret?
We burn hole in the rug.
Really? That's it? Whew, I thought you were gonna say the time we peed in the pool.
Oh.
Oh no, wait. Andy's gone.
We're almost there at the beach. It's a couple of days later. We went to my cousin's baby shower. I'm excited. Okay, it's a few days later. So I wanted to get ready. I wanted to do my nails. These are press-ons, so they're already, it's time to pop them up. And I want to do my little toes. And yeah, do all the little girly things on my day. It's just for me to get out cute, prettied up, to feel myself. I am ready. Okay, let's go. So I made it back. My nails look like they came out of a Pinterest board. Yes, yes, yes. My toes look super cute. About Chipotle. The bitch be hungry. Oh, it looks so beautiful. It is so spot. We're doing a Shein haul. I'm super excited because everything was super cute, super elegant, and super sexy. So let's get into it because they were also super cheap. Okay, I have the dress on. This is how it's looking. Not bad. I feel like I could take some timeless. Okay, this dress is super cute, super elegant. And I just love it. Something like a summer staple. Okay, next one. Okay, this was the next one. It's mainly the jumper. It goes all the way down. And I just love it. It's super cute. And it has pockets. It has pockets, so anything that has pockets is a must. So, yeah, super cute. You don't have to worry about it being too short because it's just super long, so you can bend over anytime and no one's gonna look at your ass. That's super cute. I love that. Okay, next one. Okay, so next I got this little cute size paint. It looks like a dupe from the Skins collection, but it was only like $10. The material obviously doesn't compare to the actual Skins, but the material is pretty good. Okay, next I got this one. This shirt is paired together with a skirt that I have, but I decided to wear with this skirt. And I'm gonna show you because it's super cute. Isn't it super cute? This is like one of the best skirts I own now. Super cute. I love it, and it has shorts under, so you could bend over in this too. Super cute. And this is the skirt this shirt came with. A teeny tiny ass skirt. I love it. It's cute. It's buttoned down. But the shirt looks really cute. This is a nice shirt. I feel like it'll look a lot better with a nude bra under. Definitely a night out top. So yeah, nice. Okay, there's the next one. It says Passenger Princess. Because I'm a passenger princess. This is what I paired it with. Some black cargo. But I love it. It's cute. It is actually super cute. This is the next thing I'm wearing to go golfing. Don't normally golf, but if I were to, this is what I wear. I feel like I work at a bowling alley. Super cute. Next one. And this is the next top. It's like a see-through netted scrub. I think it's super cute. And these are the pants. The pants are my favorite. Super cute. I don't really think it goes with the top. Honestly, super cute. I love the pants. I love anything cargo, as you can see. Really cute. I love it. Okay, this one's next. Cute little cheetah skirt shirt.